Dear Mpendwa, are you willing to get the best machinery products of the best quality in the countrywide? The question of your answer is here. They, Farm Machinery and Fabricators Limited, here present you the leading manufacturers of the quality of the best posture mills, maize shellers, shaft cutters, choppers machines, pelletizers, high-speed shaft cutters, feed mixers, and more. Located in Nakuru, opposite Mamangina Primary School, or you can call 0725 729229 or call 0738 5662, or you can reach us through our email machineryfarms01gmail.com. We are open from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Remember, we do off delivery across the country. Reach us today and get the best. Farm Machinery and Fabricators Limited, engineering for greater precision and efficiency to production.